welcome to MSha Tech. Today we are discussing the user interface in SAP Build App. In this video we'll discuss how to access the style and how to change the color of background or any type of coloring, and then we will also explore how to change the style of a page in our app. So let's begin. So in order to access any component in SAP Build App, we know that we have to access the tree palette. We have already discussed in my previous video. If you still not watched that, so do first watch that video and then come to this video. We are discussing that how we can access the style of any component. So first of all, we have to select our component by using the tree layout. If I want to change the styling of this text field or list text item, we have to first select, double click on that component. Otherwise, we have to go straight to the tree layout and then click or double click on that component. After that, we have to go to the style tab, and then we have many options regarding the styling of this text field. Please note that all the properties, all the style features depend on what the component type is. If the component type is text, it will show this type of option, and if the component type is changed, either it is drop down list, either it is something else like button. In this section we will have the same options as required by the app development of this particular component. So first of all, we have the local changes to style class. If we want to create a new style, we will click on the new style and then click our style. We will create our style later, but right now we are discussing the properties, the styling of this text field. If I click on the text color button, it will show the variety of color, variety of shade, border color, border named as border text color, and so on. Field text, slider, title. If I want to create my own custom palette, we'll discuss later. After that, the most important property of any text field is the typography. For this, we have the option of text size. In this way, we can change the size of our text. Like I change to text XL. If I change to text XXL, you can observe that the size of the text is also changing. So let's give the default size. Let's move on. In the font size and line height section, we have the SAP font size, and the monospace font size by default. If you want to change the font size, we can select it in this manner, and if you want to change the line height font, we can change like this. You can observe that the height of the line is changed when we change the line height from any particular size. Furthermore, if you want to change the font of the text, we can select any primary font. We can select any other font, secondary font, and so on. After that, there is option of font style. If I select it to italic, it will change to italic. The next property is font weight. Font weight is here the thin 100, extra light 200, medium 500, and so on. I selected bold 700, which means that the value of this text will be shown in this will be shown same as it is. So next is text decoration. If we want to underline our text, we can select underline, and if we want to line through, we can use this line through, and so on. Our next option is decoration color. Here you can observe that the OCT 24 color is selected. What is OCT 24 color? I will tell you later in this video. Now move on. Decoration style, we can change it to double, we can change it to dotted, and we can change it to dashed. After that, text transform, text transform, whatever the value user use for, we can change it to uppercase, we can change it to lowercase, and we can change it to capitalize as per available option. So in this way we can access the style of any component very easily. So our next topic is the how to change the style of any page. So first of all, if you have selected any component in the page, you unselected it by clicking outside the page. Here it is. Now we are here at the outside of any page section, of outside of any component. So then we can change the style of page. Same as this, we have to go to the style tab, and then here three options are available: background color, padding, and advanced. If you change the add background color, we can change it right now, and we can change it very easily like this. If I select this, you can see that the background color of app is changing accordingly. So next is padding. If we want to change the size of our page, or the size of our page, same as it is, there are a lot of options. There are a total of 9 options available. If we change to 1 x-axis, if we change to 28, which means that the size of our page will be increased as we change the size of our padding. So now by default I selected Excel. Here it is. The next option is advanced. In the advanced, we have the option is attached to the viewport height. You can see that it is now at the checkbox of this option is on. If we off this, the viewport of our app will be off, and if we click on this option, the viewport of our page will be on, and the user can see data very easily and without any hurdle. We can also display the scrolling of this page. We can also disable the safe area. So this is the option of page styling. So our next topic is how to change the color scheme, how to introduce our own color scheme, and so on. If we want to change, if we want to create a as we have noticed that the October 24 underscore color was selected for the decoration color of this text field. So this is the October 24 color is a custom color. So How this custom theme color created. Let's observe it. We have to first go to the theme and then go to the colors. Here it is. You can observe the October 24 color is line here. If you want to create any other custom palette, so we have to select any line like this, and then we have to go to the duplicate option. Now the SAP asking for the name of this new custom color palette. So I named it October 2024. Here it is. Now we have to save this scheme of color. After save, we will go to the canvas and then use this custom color palette. Here it is. Now, as you can observe that the new custom palettes has been added into the list with the name OCT 24_color_V1. This is a new one and this is the old one which we have created. So in this color palette we have the ABC one custom color to the blue, and for the list we have the transparent, and for the title we have a blue color, and so on. It means whenever we select this custom palette, these are the available and these colors will be applicable to all the related components. So let's get back to the our canvas. Here it is. Now if we want to change the color of this button, we can go to the style, and then we can use, and then we have to access the edit option. After that, in this edit option we have the background color button. If we click on the button emphasize, we can observe that the custom content palettes are available. So when we click on the button text option in the text color section, if we click on the button text, we will observe that under the custom content palettes we have two type of color, OCT color V1 and OCT 24 color. So if we select this one, the text color will be changed to the white. If we change to the OCT 24 color, you can observe that the color of the text is changed accordingly. So it means the theme which the color palette which we have created earlier will be automatically observed, will be automatically adjust for depending on the component type, depending on the component what the component use and what the component need. So move on. Last but not least, we have to change the styling of page. So for the change of style of the page, we have to click outside the viewport. Here it is. We can observe that that on the background color section we have secondary background. For the background color, we can create our own custom content palette, because the styling colors are changed and the background colors are changed. So for the background color, we can create our own palette by using this option, new palette, and then select any particular color range or any particular theme like this. and then we can name it as a new background palette. Here it is. Now you can observe that the color of the new background is automatically applied to our page. The number 2 is padding. Padding is used for the page size and for the left and right and the adjustment of the page. TPX option that is at the center of the screen. So we have the 9 option available. As for 8px small, if we click on the small, our page size will be small. 28px, our page size will be very large, and so on. So by default, the page size of SAP Build Apps is 20px. I select the same. Page layout spacing is also available, and the custom spacing is also available. If we want to adjust the height of if you want to adjust it to the H12, the same will apply to the page. If you want to the H16, the same will be applied to the page size. Now moving on, the last option is advanced. In the advanced section, we have 3 options: stretch to the viewport height, disable scrolling, and disable save area. So if I click on the stretch to the viewport height, this will not stretch to the viewport height. If I click on the stretch to the viewport height, you can observe that it will be adjust same as the viewport height. So hope you learn something new in this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for the new informative incoming videos. Let's meet into another new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.